I'm about to give you two options, okay? You either gonna get a pen and paper, or you gonna put that finger to exercise today. It's gonna be tap and pause, 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 because I'm about to give you some tidbits of information. Yes, I am. I'm about to give you some tidbits of information to help you grow your YouTube channel. It's really not that hard to do, okay? And I have been researching and studying videos on this, and I finally figured out the key to growing on YouTube. First things first, personality. Baby, if you sound anything like Bueller, you will not survive on YouTube. I'm sorry to say. And let me just put a disclaimer out here right now, baby. I am about to ruffle some feathers, okay? If you don't like it, or if you feel strongly against it, then you probably shouldn't be on YouTube anyway, because baby, the comments that are left on some of these videos, we're ruffling feathers today because I want your YouTube channel to grow just like I want mine to grow. But we got to do some things in order to make that happen, okay? Personality, either you got it or you don't. Just going to be brutally honest. You are going to struggle a little bit. Break down the name YouTube. You television, basically, is what it says. You television. Think about somebody that is on TV right now. Why are they on TV? They have this certain wow factor. They've got the personality. They've got that certain je ne sais quoi about them. If your personality cannot sell your content, again, reconsider why you're even on YouTube, because it's like dog eat dog on here. Y'all already know it's like the Hunger Games on this thing. Get completely uncomfortable. If you have to sit in your car, talk to yourself, and answer your questions like a straight up crazy person, do it. You need to get in the rhythm of being able to talk to yourself while you're by yourself. I know it's completely strange. Like, I'm sitting here talking to y'all, but literally I'm in my bedroom talking to my camera. I'm comfortable. Like, you have to be able, oh my gosh, I'm about to burp. So sorry. I told y'all, if y'all haven't been here before, every time I start talking, I start burping because I'm sucking up too much air because I got a big mouth. And yeah, get comfortable talking to yourself, get comfortable being by yourself, get comfortable with showing your personality. Do not hide it. It is going to be the key to your success on YouTube. If you don't have the personality to sell it, and maybe you want to stick more with educational type topics, that is completely fine. But here's the thing. You need to make sure that your content is jam-packed with education. Don't have the personality and you're kind of like uncomfortable. Give a person a reason to watch you by giving them information overload. Give them every single, like if you talking about cars, baby, you better break the car down, okay? The whole entire video, break down every piece. Like, you have to make sure that you are keeping the people engaged. And if you're doing educational content, that is the way that you're going to do that. You need to jam-pack that thing on up, okay? Jam-pack it with education. That way you're giving that person a reason to stay. Let's talk about style copycatting and why it doesn't work in the first place. When it comes down to personality, think of it this way. You've got 5 influencers, and all 5 of those influencers have 500K subscribers, okay? Each one of them, 500K. Some of them might have the same followers or subscribers. Some of them might have different ones. Why is that? Why is it that we can talk about self-care across a million different channels, but yet each of those videos is going to have 100K, 500K, 30K, all of them are getting views because of that person's personality? I am telling y'all, let's talk about it. It's the personality. That's why people gravitate to certain people. So somebody might resonate with me and be like, oh my gosh, I love her personality. She's dope. Let me, go ahead and see what she's talking about. Or somebody might be like, oh, I don't really like her. I don't really like her style. She a little too much. And the reason why style copycatting does not work is because if you try to copycat somebody else's style, you're trying to take on their persona, you're trying to act like them, talk like them, be like them. The reason it does not work is because it stinks of unauthenticity. Is that word? Google? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. It's not authentic. You can see when a person is trying to copycat somebody else. I think what happens is when we first start our YouTube channels, we see other influencers that we like. All of us are inspired by somebody. I have several influencers that inspire me. But here's the thing. When I started my channel, I probably did similarly act like other influencers that I was watching because, when you first get on here, you don't really know what you want to do. You don't know what your niche is. you're trying to figure it out. So you start trying to, you know, see if other people's methods are working, but it does not feel natural. It didn't feel natural to me. Like, I started off doing makeup tutorials, and I love my beauty. I love my hair. I love all of that. But I was like, oh, hell no. Like, makeup tutorials is not my thing. I don't want to just sit and literally tell every single step about me doing makeup. Like, that's boring. It's boring, okay? Now, again, if you have the personality to sell it, I'll watch it all day long. I had to figure out where my lane was on YouTube. So we'll go into the next topic, which is niching. So this is something that I love, and I'm going to plug her right here, Erin on Demand. If y'all have not seen her, y'all definitely need to check her out, because she explains in great detail the differences between niching and layering. So what I love about this thought is that when you think about niching, everybody says niche down, niche down, niche down. Let's use makeup as an example. If you niche down in makeup and that's your only thing that you do, you're not going to be able to broaden your horizons that way. You're not going to be able to spread your wings, little butterfly. It ain't gonna happen, because you've niched down so much that literally only people are coming to see you for makeup. Now, here is how you can begin to spin it. Start doing vlogs. Start doing get ready with me talks. Like, if you start incorporating the storytelling, or start incorporating those chit chat topics where somebody, like, you pick a topic and you start talking about it, that is going to make people build a connection with you. It's going to make them want to know who you are. It's going to make them want to invest in seeing you. Layering gives us that ability. Again, I love my makeup. I love my wigs. I love my hair. I like, you know, the lifestyle. I like talking about how to build your lifestyle and reinvent yourself and have this life-changing experience, because 2023, baby, I'm changing. Anyway, I like talking about that kind of stuff. So I've been incorporating all of those aspects. That way, when people come to see me, they're like, oh my gosh, I know that I'm going to get a little bit of everything. Here is where you can benefit with the layering. Like I said, people want to become invested in knowing who you are. So let's backtrack on that thought real quick and touch on something else, which is, y'all, if y'all are new to YouTube and you trying to grow your account, I have been doing this and it has been working for me. That's why I am trying to tell you, will y'all stop putting these 10 to 15 second long intro videos? Just stop. Just stop. Let me tell you, ain't nobody coming to see you, Otis.
Ain't nobody coming to see you, Otis.
They don't care who you are. They don't care what type of turkey bacon you ate this morning. They don't care how many times you took the trash out this week. They don't care how clean your car is. They don't care what you fed your kids for dinner. They don't care. The only thing that they care about is whatever they typed in on that search bar. That is the exact information that they want to see. That's the exact information that they want to get from your video. If you cannot provide that within the first 10 to 30 seconds of your video, you're going to lose potential subscribers that way. Puts that information right on the screen as soon as they get on there. If y'all notice, when this video started, you literally knew exactly what I was going to be talking about within the first 15 to 20 seconds. Treat your long form content like short form content until you have built your community and really established yourself as a YouTuber. And what do we do on TikTok? TikTok, we all say, you got about a good 3 seconds to, you know, make an impression on somebody. If you don't have that it factor in that first 3 seconds, people are scrolling by. Why is that? You're not holding their attention. So if you've got this long 10 to 15 second opener video, this little intro cutesy video, okay, save that for when you build your community up. Or one thing that you can do is like what I do when I start my videos, I put my intro video there. I bring the opacity level down. That way I'm getting my community used to seeing my intro video, but I'm not going to subject them to watching the whole thing because I want to get straight to the information. That's why people came to see me. That's what they're going to get. Make sure that you're taking these smaller approaches when you are first starting out. It is crucial when you're starting off as a new YouTuber. Listen here, I know that my channel can take off at any moment, okay? Let's get an understanding. One email, one DM, one day, 1 week, 1 month. You can be literally one away from that blow up. one away from that life-changing moment that you're looking for, okay? So that's why I get on here and I'm trying to tell y'all about these things, because I already told y'all, I know that my life is changing in 2023. And if you want to know why I feel like that, go back and watch some of my recent videos. Watch Delusional as, okay? Because you have to be delusional as hell in your mind to know that you have change coming in your life. And that's pretty much where I am at this point in my life. One thing away. So make sure that you are taking every single step that you can in order to make sure that your videos are going to perform the greatest, that they're going to bring in traffic. People want to, more than anything, see something relatable. They want to follow somebody that's relatable. Those people are not afraid about talking about real life experiences. And sometimes if you're a YouTuber, you have to be the voice for people who don't, necessarily feel comfortable talking about certain subjects, because that is a very big thing. People get on YouTube to see other people talk and they resonate with it. They express themselves like, people be at home having whole meltdowns because of something that somebody talked about on a YouTube video, because they were like, dang, they was talking to me. They was talking directly to me and I was feeling that and I was just having a day. Like they feel that, okay? Really give people an opportunity to see who you are, okay? More than anything, that's what they're going to relate to. And that is going to make the difference between somebody just watching your video and somebody actually subscribing to your channel, okay? Stop waiting for a sign, okay? If you really just honestly need a sign, or you need somebody to validate why you're doing what you're doing, then I'm telling you right now, get up and do it. Get it off your, because I'm trying to stop cussing. Get off your booty duty. And do it, okay? There's no perfect time for anything. I got 3 kids and none of them was at a perfect time. But life turned out beautifully. So you just have to do it. I know a lot of people wait for the perfect circumstance. Let me tell y'all something. I had been wanting to start my YouTube channel since 2020. When we went home with the pandemic, I was like, I am going to start it. I'm just gonna do it. What I do, I sat down for another, 2 years? It's 2023. Yeah, I sat for another 2 years just sitting and waiting around, waiting, because I wanted all of my circumstances to be perfect. I wanted to have all the perfect stuff to make my aesthetic look good. I wanted to have all the perfect backdrops. I wanted to have the perfect house, because I'll be honest, I have brown trim in my house and it just drives me nuts. But I was like, why am I waiting around for the perfect opportunity? Like, all I have to do and all I'm dedicated to doing is showing up for myself every single day. So I am here to tell you, don't wait for no perfect circumstances. They don't exist. Perfect does not exist. The only thing that you need to do is show up for yourself every single day. I don't care if your TikTok video flopped that day. I don't care if your Instagram account didn't grow for 6 months at a time. I don't care if you got on YouTube and you saw somebody's negative comment that made you want to shut down. None of it matters, okay? None of it matters. The only thing that you need to do is show up for yourself every single day. That's the mission. Like, showing up for yourself and being proud of what you're putting out, okay? I put out YouTube videos twice a week. I know that that is comfortable for me. I know that I am going to produce quality videos that way. But that's my way of showing up for myself, even when I have worked all day long, because I'm gonna be honest, baby, I still got a 9 to 5, because I'm waiting on my account to blow up too, but it's gonna happen. But what I'm saying is, I work on 9 to 5. I told you I got 3 kids. I got a husband, a household, basketball practice, soccer practice, this, and this. And then I have my brand, my baby, which is my YouTube. My last baby, because I have my other babies. But this is my baby right here. Yeah, I'm tired. There are a lot of days where I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't even feel like doing this. Like I already told y'all, I literally just showered. I'm doing this right before I go to bed. But I'm showing up for myself every day. If I have to shoot my video at nighttime, I just have to do it at nighttime. If I have to, skip out on going out for girls' nights and drinks and this and that, I have to skip out on it. Why? Because again, you have to decide to show up for yourself. That is what's going to change your life at the end of the day. Oh my gosh, here I go burping again. I'm so sorry. That's what's going to change your life. So if you really want true change, whew, that is a tongue twister. If you want true change in your life, you have to decide, how bad do you want it and how hard are you willing to work for it? okay? So I'm going to wrap this video up here by saying this is your year. It's my year. I know that, but it's your year too. It's not too late. We can see clear as day. It is not too late, okay? It's not too late to start your channel. It's not too late to turn your channel around. Just really focus on these tips that I gave you today. Focus on what you could be changing, because clearly if you've been at your YouTube journey for, 6 months or so, and you're not getting great feedback on it and it's not really growing, then maybe think about using some different methods in order to see if you can grow your account, okay? Nothing is set in stone. It's your channel. You can change your content at any moment. You can decide to do something else at any moment. So just try it out. What can you possibly, what do you have to lose? You don't have anything to lose. Just try it out. So I'm going to end this video here. I really hope that you gained something from it. I really hope that you can use these tools and have your channel blow up, okay? Because that's what it's all about. We want that moment, and that moment is going to come, but we got to put a little work in for it, okay? So if you have been here before, you already know I got to drop it in at the end of the video, but if you are not, let me tell you real quick. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby, and also make sure that you are hitting the notification bell as well, so you can see when my crazy ass is going up on my YouTube channel. Because sometimes I'll be on here tripping. But anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back and hang out with your girl. I will catch y'all on the next video. So, bye, love.